What's up, guys? It's Mila at WTI, and I'm here with a runner that I am loving. So the reason I got this runner is because I have 4 dogs living in this house, and one of them tends to drink very messily. So what ends up happening is she goes to the dog bowl and she tracks water all the way through this kitchen area, which is not fun if you're walking around the house with socks, as you can imagine. I love how fluffy it is. It's super soft. My dogs will be laying on it just when I'm like washing dishes. It's phenomenal. And it actually is skid proof. So on the bottom, it has like a little bit of, I would say like not rubber, but it's a material that sticks very nicely to these wood floors. It almost has a feeling of a terry cloth. It's like a giant terry cloth, microfiber terry cloth that's super soft. This thing is great if you're looking for a simple fix that looks really nice and is affordable. We love this carpet, and that's our point of view.